Rowan College of South Jersey offers support services to all our students. All tutoring services are free to registered students. Our tutors are qualified professionals that include adjuncts, grad students, current students, and retired professionals. By offering flexible hours, the support staff can assist students with studying skills and test-taking strategies, as well as aid in prioritizing course content. Individual and group tutoring sessions are available. Our offices are both walk-in and appointment-based. Tutoring is available for many of the courses offered. Our services provide individually tailored studying and test preparation techniques so our students feel confident with their course selection. Writing tutors can help with any writing assignment in any subject. Students have the option to meet with a writing mentor or submit writing assignments online for review. Online submissions will be reviewed within 24 hours. Online support is available to you through Thinking Storm. Students may receive help with homework questions, an explanation of a process, or an answer to a general question. Academic coaches promote academic engagement, motivation, and better performance. Academic coaches work one-on-one with students to help them create personal success plans for academic success. Coaches follow up with students regularly to check in on students' progress and success. Our qualified tutors and academic coaches are here for you.